Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download Steam on Windows PC or laptop guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. To download Steam, open a browser, search for Steam download, click on the official Steam website, click on the install Steam and install the installer guys. After the Steam setup download completed, you just need to click on it and install it guys. After the installation complete, open up Steam and you can download and play any games available in Steam guys. So many games are available free and as well as paid as well. You can search for it and download it and play it guys. For example GTA 5, PUBG or anything like that. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.